Megha Fiberglass Industries Limited GRP Systems, a subsidiary of MEIL, is a pioneer in GRP technology services. The company is leader in fiber reinforced plastics manufacture, established in 2008. It is known for manufacturing products with ISO standards and with the highest quality. The company is also involved in the manufacture of specialized GRP or FRP piping and equipment according to the client's requirements. The manufacturing unit located at Pasha Mailaram near Patancheru Industrial Estate on the suburbs of Hyderabad. Megha Fiberglass manufactures lightweight and corrosion-resistant GRP pipes. It is the first manufacturer of GRP pipes on CFW continuous filament technology machines in South India. The plant has produced 2,000 tons of pipes and fittings so far. The filament winding at the helix angle gives stiffness to the pipes. The entire production process monitored by the state-of-the-art SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System. Each product delivered after the confirmation that it meets the highest quality standards. The plant has the capacity to produce 150 km long pipes per year. These long-lasting quality pipes are used for a wide range of purposes such as drinking and irrigation water piping, flood water flow, hydropower plants, industrial needs, casing for wells, fire accident prevention, industrial waste, food industries, chemical and petrochemical requirements, and gas piping. The company is continuously striving to control pollution in manufacturing and sales, giving the highest priority to the environment. MFGIL also produces glass-reinforced polyester GRP pipes, and it is the first plant in South India. It manufactures pipes and fittings ranging from 300 mm to 2600 mm diameter that meets national and international quality standards. The plant can produce 300 kilometers of GRP pipes per year. MEIL's Spiral Mill division located at Goudavelli near Hyderabad and started production in October 2008. This unit received API monogram certification within 6 months of commencement of manufacture. This unit manufactures spiral welded pipes. HDPE, high-density polyethylene pipes, are also manufactured here. During 2019-2020, the plant produced 1,12,434 tons of MS mild steel, HDPE, MDPE, medium-density polyethylene pipes and structures, and moved them to various projects. This year, the unit integrated 4 new divisions in addition to the manufacturing of HDPE pipe fittings. With these new units, the total number of HDPE units increased to 9. These pipes made from 6 mm to 25 mm thickness and 400 mm to 3000 mm in diameter. These pipes are made from 6 mm to 25 mm thickness and 400 mm to 3000 mm in diameter. The unit has 150,000 metric tons per year production capacity. To minimize the wastage, the plant is using state-of-the-art technology. The J-Wan Industrial Machinery Company Limited of South Korea and SHHM of China are providing technical support and equipment to Spiral Mill. The companies from Germany, Singapore and France are also providing the various types of equipment. The 3-layer polyethylene coating plant also located in the same premises. This division produces good quality non-corrosion pipes. The process of 3-layer polyethylene coating helps in the durability of pipes. The plant has a capability of coating pipes ranging from 18 inches to 100 inches in diameter. Some products: surge protection equipment, separators, heater treaters, reactors, air receivers, water bath heaters, manifold headers, preheaters, knockout drums, water seal drums, CI vessels, PPD vessels, closed blowdown tanks, LP heaters. The Pressure Vessel Division manufactures the patented PSLC QRDA surge protection equipment. This division manufactures U-stamp vessels as per ASME quality regulations. The unit also supports all MEIL projects through various products. During 2019-2020, the unit produced 12,150 metric tons. Important milestones achieved by the plant. Through continuous upgradation of the production process, the unit is meeting requirements of oil and gas sectors. The plant developed to manufacture tailor-made products to customer needs, working with a mission to satisfy the clients and punctual delivery mechanism. Regular upgradation of technologies and training staff according to the new technologies. Adhering to ASME code regulations and global quality standards. The Unit 4, located in GD Metla Industrial Estate, Hyderabad. It is established with the latest technology to manufacture machinery like VTLs, VMC. This fabrication unit is suitable for manufacturing pump house machinery and rigs construction. It already got an ISO 9001-2015 certification and is preparing for API certification.